Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lithuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela-ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Bona ey'ntweni zonke engake ngazizwa nezinto ezake zenzeka nemethe esikoleni yake yathi ukungihlula kancane, kodwa ngikaze ngaba confused njengoba ngi-confused manje. Besikhuluma udaba likaFloyd esiliqale ngeviki esiliqale ngaleli yaviki uMary Phathi esazisa ukuthi uFloyd kukhona ufuneka ahambe. Wayesethi kukhona okuzokwenzeka ngeviki elizolandela. Iviki elilandela lapho ngempela kwenzeka uFloyd kwathiwa akaseyona u-SG womkhonto wesizwe party kunalokho uzoya eParliament. Sithe sisana-ke lokho kwavela ama-email lapho uDuduzile khona bekathumelela i-CEO ye-IEC ethi list ethunele eParliament cha useyayi-withdrawa uzothumela yena i-list e-right. Kwakuningi nje, kuningi ngempela. Sithe sisana-ke lokho kuvela-ke manje ukuthi igama likaFloyd alikho kubantu abaya eParliament. Sase siyakhumbula ukuthi konje i-list ishintshiwe. Konke lokhu kwenzeka yabona nje kuningi. Confused ngendlela eyisimanga. Siyabonga kuqala, sibonge kuqala kuma-member we-EFF ngoba ngenxa yawo sesiyitholile manje i-charge sheet la kuchajwe khona uFloyd ngamacala awenzile kumkhonto wesizwe party nesinqumo esithathwe ngoba kuvela manje ukuthi uFloyd ngathi ususpendiwe. So sizobheka lelo daba lelo, kodwa-ke sizolibheka lelo daba bese sibuyele emuva. Zonke into ziyangiconfuse. Ngicela ukukulethela nanto udaba, ngiqale ngingaphawuli sifundele lama-charges abekwe wona, size ukuthi wenzeni. Emveni kokuwafunda ebese sibuyele emuva ukuthi ngabe umkhonto, ngisabuyela kumbuzo wami, ngabe umkhonto wesizwe party wasiqambela amanga na? Nansi-ke i-charge sheet ka-Commander Floyd Nyiko Shivambu, idate ngomhla ka-19 May 2025, inama-page awu-3. Introduction yakhona ithi le charge sheet issued in accordance with umkhonto wesizwe party constitution and i-disciplinary code eya-adoptha ngomhla ka-26 kuSeptember 2024. I-addressa-ke amacala ambalwa kanye nokuphindaphinda kwe-violation enziwe uCommander uFloyd Nyiko Shivambu, okwenza ukuthi kungabibikho uzinzo ngaphakathi kwiphathi, oku-undermine ama-structure, okulethe umkhonto wesizwe party into disrepute ukuthi ungahlangani. Formal charges, offences and relative clause. Charge number 1 abekwe yona, angikwazi ukulifunda leni igama kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi no-negligence. Bathi offense le ayenzile ukuthi anqabe ukukhipha ama-appointment letters ayinikeza ama-provincial detachments nama-regional kanye nama-sub-regional structures, and ukufeyila kwakho ukuthi aresponde kuma-official communications ayebevela kuma-provincial convener since ngoyi-25 January 2025. Bethi irrelevant clause uclause 4.8 oku-undermine illegitimate leadership structures. Ithi noma ubani ko-undermine i-decision or i-leadership esuke khona lapho, lowo muntu loyo u-guilty of i-disciplinary offense. Ukuthi a-appointe i-task team ay-appointe eyayizosebenza no-provincial convener advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane engaconsultanga or engatholanga authority from i-National High Command. Bathi-ke i-clause lapho irrelevant promoting division in the party. I-charge yesithathu abekwe yona unauthorized disclosure of confidential information. Bathi-ke walika i-information e-confidential ekuyi-internal communication recommending i-disciplinary action and ne-public reference njengoba bekuwumngcwabo kaCommander uTreasure Thabete. I-relevant clause lapho clause 4.5 oku-unauthorized disclosure of party information. Charges 4 bathi complicity in factional intimidation and failure to protect members. Bathi-ke icala lenzile ukuthi witnessa i-threat lapho kokufakwa khona ikhali ibhamu against ama-detachment members, lokhu kwenziwa abantu anobudlelwane nabo wahluleka uku-acta azange ayikhuze futhi leyo nto leyo ngesikhathi yenzeka. I-clause-ke abathi irrelevant u-clause 4.10 ethi duty to protect party unity and members. Icala lesi-5 abekwe lona ekuthiwa i-failure to defend the party against court action. Bathi-ke i-offense ayenzile despite inotice eformal u-SG wafeyila ukubriefa abameli ama-legal representative ngecala elilethwe uMiss Padi former convener oxoshiwe. Wathola-ke interim order embuyiselayo and wagain access to ama-resources e-party manje awasebenzisayo ukudestabilize i-organization. I-clause relevant u-clause 5.1 misconduct warranting disciplinary action. Icala lesithupha abekwe lona a compromised relationship with former convener bese bathi in brackets conflict of interest. Bathi-ke la i-offense ayenzile iphethini yokungaziphathi kahle okukhombisa ukuthi unobudlelwane obu-unethical no-Miss Padi. Ngaphambi nje ngiyifunde lento le ngiqhubeke nayo animini kancane. Nisho ukuthi uFloyd ube nobudlelwane no-Miss Padi? Ubudlelwane obunjani? Ngoba phela bebejola, bebethandana kanjani? Ngoba uMary Padi uma ngabe icala lakhe lungukuthi kune-information ayisebenzisayo abekungafanele abe ne-access kuyo. Engani uMary Padi uxhumana noDuduzile, kuney'thombe eshuthe noDuduzile, axhumana aye straight kuZuma. Manje ubudlelwane bakhe noFloyd bungene ngaphi or bake bajola noFloyd? Mhlawumbe ingakho bexabene, angazi. Yingakho ngithe ngididekile awuthi siyeqa yonke lento siyelapha ya ku-number 3 la sizokwazi ukusheshe siqede lento engiyifunda lapha ku-3.1 bathi immediate suspension of Commander Floyd Nyiko Shivambu pending formal disciplinary inquiry. Institution of fully disciplinary hearing in line with provisions on clause 6.1 of the disciplinary code. Izinto lezi abathi-ke ba-recommend ukuthi azenziwe zirecommendwa lezi i-provincial detachment. In conclusion, bathi-ke ukuziphatha kuka-Commander Floyd Nyiko Shivambu kurepresenta i-threat kumkhonto wesizwe party, kwi-integrity yomkhonto wesizwe party, nakwi-constitutional discipline, nakwi-political credibility, ushuthi ukuthembeka ngokwezepolitiki. Ama-actions wakhe undermine i-governance angaphakathi kanye nokwethenjwa emphakathini. Bathi-ke banethemba ukuthi i-National High Command izo-acta swiftly and decisively ukurestore i-discipline, iphinde iqinisekise ukuthi umthetho uyasebenza within i-MK party. Amacala onke abekwe wona uFloyd elokuya kuBushira Likho. Kumacala nje wonke akhona kuthiwa ubekwe wona uFloyd elokuya kuBushira Likho. Kanti ngeviki eliphelile uma bekhuluma nabezindaba umkhonto wesizwe party wakhuluma kanje.
Yesterday, on the 2nd of June 2025, President Jacob Zuma met with the national officials of Umkhonto weSizwe to reflect on the state of the organization. As part of the deliberations of the national officials, the matter pertaining to the recent trip undertaken by the Secretary General, Floyd Shivambu, to Malawi was reflected upon. After lengthy discussions, and considerable inputs from the national officials, it was concluded that the actions of the Secretary General were found to be against the spirit and prescripts of the MK party constitution. Most specifically, Section 3J, subsection J, under the section that deals with offenses, which stipulates the following, and that's subsection J, undertaking international trips and participating in activities and programs that are opposed to the agenda of the MK party or allied party. Noting that on the 12th of March 2025, the Republic of Malawi's chief resident magistrate delivered a ruling that granted the South African Republic's requests for the extradition. It is common knowledge that Bishop Shepherd Bushiri and his wife, Mary Bushiri, skipped bail and are to return to South Africa to stand trial on various charges. Based on the deliberations by national officials, it was confirmed that the trip was not officially sanctioned. It was not an officially sanctioned program of the organization or the president, which therefore goes against the constitution of the party. The MK party and its leadership has been approached by members of various sectors of civil society and has taken due consideration of the gravity of this matter. Sorry, just due to the various nature of this matter and its implications for the party, its image, values, and principles, the president and national officials were left with no other option but to act swiftly in addressing this matter. Consequently, as a responsible organization accountable to its electorate and the broader society, the national officials have come to a decision to redeploy Commander Floyd Shibambo as the Secretary General of the party and redeploying him to the National Assembly.
Manje mase sewubona i-chat sheet selingekho leli cala bakhuluma nabezindaba besazisa ngalo. Kwenzakalani kahle kahle? Kwenzakalani? Ngizocaphuna umama uMary Phathi akhulume ukuthi yena baba ngani noFloyd. Ngoba phela manje sekuvela ukuthi uFloyd unobudlelwane noMary Phathi. Angazi noma ubudlelwane bokujola na. Asazi. Kodwa ngicela uzwe la.
When you present yourself to the people, you don't present yourself by tagging from somebody's. I don't know Comrade Floyd. I don't know him. But all that I can tell you, Guti, I supported EFF because within my executive, despite the fact that I was pro-ANC, there were members within the freight industry who were EFF. Now, when they went to Megawatt Park to strike against Andre de Ruyter, we gave a budget of 1.2 million to truckers to go and support EFF.
1.2 million to the EFF.
To truckers, as truckers, sure. So that trucks can be able to go there and assist the EFF. Because at that time, either or, but I was ANC, and
sure.
They knew I was ANC.
Sure.
So when he came, I was so excited.
Came to the MK party.
But I was excited. I was like, at least for a change, we are going to get a person who will deal with administration, and then us understand, and then us seize, and then us encourage and teach us politics. You know,
yeah.
He came to Witbank for a meeting, first meeting.
Sure.
And apparently they were coming to remove me on that in October. He came, he walked in a room, and then we were eating. And then we said, "Oh, hi, how are you?" We stood up. And then he said, "Hi, everyone. Thank you very much for being here. Let's go."
Go where now?
To the hall, inside the hall. We're in a briefing room.
Sure.
Says, "Let's go to the hall." I'm like, we've organized this meeting. We are the leaders. Even if he's here to, the gossips are saying he's here to remove us.
Was that the first encounter you
yes.
had with him?
Sanbonani, you know, Bokhondini. Something like that. We've worked for this organization. Yabona, ngabona umuntu one-pride. You know, when I go and visit, ngiba ne-problem ukuthi they always say, you cannot be like President Jacob Zuma in this province. Ungathanda abantu, ngiyahlala nabantu. Yabona manje I'm going to make sure ukuthi everybody that is here down there is right.
Sure.
Ngifila ukuthi he walked in there, washang attitude, I'm a woman. I'm the leader. Ngafila ukuthi lo muntu la kana ne decency ukuthi angishake isandla okay akafuni ungishake isandla ngimazi but ahlale phansi athi noma community siyabonga ukuthi ni organize le meeting we are not. Guess what, when he walked out, Comrade Dan Hlapo stood up and they looked at each other like this and Dan says, not here in this province. You are not going to do this attitude in this province. I'm looking at him and said, Aibo. I kept on saying, Aibo. And I had to do a presentation.
Sure.
But we only have 5 minutes. We have 5 minutes here. And I'm sure you
Wait,
when
Mamiri. They came, they have 5 minutes to spend here.
they came,
Yeah.
they said Sanbonani, and then we stood up, and then he said, let's go to the hall. Why are we here?
Oh, I see.
And then Dan stopped him. Comrade Dan stopped him. And when Comrade Dan stopped him, I felt Guti, he embarrassed me to my male component or counterparts or the people that I work with.
Sure.
I felt Guti, this is not how Zuma will do things, even if Zuma was coming to remove me. Ubezongibingelela naqeda athi hayi ntokazi isikhathi sesihambile asingene ngale kodwa ke uma siphuma ngizobe singiyakutshela or something like that.
Sure.
What, no, I'm here for the constitution, I'm not here for anything. Bingelela abantu ke, even if you're here for the constitution.
Manje lo budlelwano okhulunywa ngabo yibuphi? Uyezwa nje uMary Phat ukuthi ukuqala kwabo nje ukuhlangana kuzokhulunywa udaba lwabo. UFloyd waba ne-attitude kuye naye waba nenkinga noFloyd kuswa ngalelo langa. Ubudlelwano okhulunywa ngabo yibuphi? Yingakho ngibuzile ukuthi i-MK Party ngabe isiqambela amanga na yathi uFloyd uwehlisa uDimothela indaba ka uredeployela indaba ka yokuya kuBushiri ekubeni bazi kahle ukuthi kunoxhaxha lamacala awu6 abekwe wona okubalwa kulubudlelwano noMary Phat. uMary Phat yena othi Floyd wavele waba neattitude nje wabona wafila ngathi uyamdelela. Ibizwa ngani lento? Ibizwa ngoba ngosingaweke usomzwileke uMary Phat. Bukhona ubudlelwano la. NjengoMary Phat ethi nje wayejabulela uFloyd esafika kodwa nje emveni kwale attitude aphindanga wamzwisisa. Ngoba wafila like humiliated phambi kwabantu asebenza nabo. Yeah, ngiyacela ukuzwa ngokwakho. Na indaba esitshelwa yona la. Okuthiwa uFloyd ubekwe yona. Okuvela ngathi uFloyd ususpendiwe. Okuyikona okwenzakalayo yikuphi Nkosi yami? Ngiyacela okwaziya atshele mina ngiconfuse mina manje. Ngiyaxaka umkhonto wesizwe party mawuhlulwa ukumanager iorganization yabo nje kuseyiyo yodwa. Uma sekuthiwa baphethe ama-metros kuzoba njani? Okanje bathenya badi campaign. Kodwa ngiyabuza kufanelanga phela ngikubalekele lokho. Ama-metros la uzobabheke khona indaba zomphakathi yini? Nisahlulwa nje iparty yeni yodwa. Nisahlulwa nje ukulungisa indaba zenu kuyiparty. Nisahlulwa ukuthi nibe nento ekuthiwa zi-confidential. Yonke into yeni flyer ku social media bese nithi nina. Hayi i-MK Party mhlawumbe iyi solution. Kodwa ngesingami ayikakabi ready ukuphatha. Hayi ngeke. Phela uma ningekho organize nina ninodwa nje. How about sekuthiwa niphethe ama-metros? Kuzokwenzakalani? Seniphethe ama-metros. Ngoba yonke lento ebeka uFloyd enye iyenza sense. Sure. Ya uma i-political party ihlelo kulungisa indaba zayo kanje angabalizwe ngisabala nje ama-metros. ukubukwina nje kuma local government elections okuphatha municipality uma nisahlulwa indlu yenu nje house is not in order ibizwa ngani funa sinithembe ngezwe funa sinithembe ngeinkinga zethu nihlulwa izenu nenodwa mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga